Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change notification sound on OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. First go to Settings, then go to Sounds and Vibration, and now scroll down to Notification Tone. Here you can choose either classic themes, aquamorphic themes or dynamic themes. Let's choose classic themes, and now you can choose a theme and you'll hear a preview of it, and you can choose if you like it or not. Let's say, for example, cheerful or bling. And when I choose one, just go back. And the notification tone has been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.